Hey everyone, Dan with True North Motos. Today we're going to go over the KTM key eliminator, basically. It's just a little jumper plug. So this is the stock one when you pop your seat off. This is a 2024 KTM for clarification. You're going to unplug this guy, plug this guy in. I like to use some of the ACF 50 for anti-corrosion, kind of sealing up the connectors, or dielectric grease works as well. This stuff's preferable. And then up front, when you unplug your key, it's going to be this plug right here, and in the kit you're going to get a square 4 position and that sealed on the end. Also spray some of that stuff in there, and that is it for deleting the key. You can couple it with our hidden kill switch, which if you order, you will get a video on how to install that, so it's not public. You will get a link to the video. So basically it'll disable the starter button and nobody can just walk up and start your bike. But this is how we delete the keys on the 500 EXCs and Huskies and all the similar bikes like that. So thanks for checking it out.